Thank you for flying Stuffa. This video was made using AI. Why? Because we don't have Hollywood money. We got airline snack money. Packing. Take a moment to learn your pocket layout. It varies from stuffer to stuffer. To dodge baggage fees, wear your stuffer packed or empty. I'll explain more at check-in. Check-in. The overpacker's lifeline. Your luggage just failed its way in. No problem! Transfer items to your stuffer. Always travel with an empty stuffer. It's your secret weapon for surprise souvenir binges and fee ambushes. The tactical traveller. You've already booked a carry-on. Good call. Now let's maximise it. A fully packed stuffer increases your carry-on capacity. That's called planning. That's called experience. That's called being a well-organised legend. The minimalist maverick. You're flying out for a long weekend with a packed stuffer and your personal item allowance. You've just saved $100. That's a cocktail night out and a questionable tattoo in Lisbon. You're not a traveller. You're a lifestyle guru. TSA. Just send your stuffer through the scanner. That's it. Unless you've left a bottle of water in one of the pockets. Then, congratulations, you've triggered a side quest. At the gate, this is it. Showtime. Wear your stuffer, show your boarding pass, and casually board the plane. The trick? You're not carrying extra luggage. You are the luggage. Now, convince other passengers to buy a stuffer too. Seriously, that would help us out a lot. On board, your stuffer can go under the seat or in the overhead bin. Or, because you're flying budget, use it as a blanket, because free blankets are now a thing of folklore. Now sit back and relax, and pretend you're somewhere nicer, like a yacht or a dentist's office. At your destination, we advise evacuating your pockets when not using your stuffer to save money. Having this many pockets does come with one slight side effect. You might forget where you put things. Don't fret. Just carefully check each pocket when you unpack. Consider it a mildly stressful, travel-flavoured treasure hunt. My mate Dave lost his AirPods in his stuffer. Found them at Easter. He's fine, but he's different now.